Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Chester, and today I want to talk to you about a project called Pepe. Not Pepu, not Pepe Unchained, but actually the one and the only Pepe. We're going to be breaking Pepe down from a technical analysis perspective. We're going to be looking at some very important price targets for this asset and just a general TA update on Pepe. And at the end of the video, we will then be going through and putting in some bull market targets here for Pepe to see essentially how high this asset could be going in the next 6 to 12 months or so, and essentially look for some really strong target points in reference to potential market cap areas that we could be aiming for as well. Now, before we get into this video, guys, I want to talk to you about a project that is Pepe themed. Okay, very quickly. Pepe now has its own blockchain. It's a blockchain called Pepe Unchained, and they're basically a layer 2 protocol built on Ethereum, basically bridging Ethereum and Pepe. Lowest transaction fees, higher volume capacity, 100 times faster than Ethereum, and they also have their dedicated blockchain explorer like Etherscan and Solscan as well, but it's basically for Pepe Unchained. If you guys want to go check out this project, it is in a pre-sale phase. $6.2 million already raised. Super bullish. Full disclosure, I'm invested in this pre-sale, guys. I'm really excited for the launch of this. They're basically going to be hosting the creation of meme coins on their own blockchain called Pepe. Super bullish. If you want to check it out, links are all in the description. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into this Pepe update. Talking market structure here, we're just going to jump to the weekly time frame here because we've got the lowest point coming down here back in September 2023. This is obviously super macro, guys, and the reason why we do this from a market structure perspective is essentially because if we hold this market structure, we know that we are in a bullish market structure. If we start to invalidate higher lows and lose considerably bullish areas, then essentially it means the reversal of the trend, and then we can essentially be looking for shorts, essentially, right? So what we're looking for here, market structure higher lows, you can see they are marked in, and the most recent one that is currently unconfirmed in terms of a higher low is actually down for the most recent low on July the 1st, the start of this month. Okay, now from that point we have seen bullish momentum, and you can see here, if you jump to the 12-hour quickly, we've actually got an upward sloping parallel channel here that does show the actual bullish support here for Pepe along this area. A little bit choppy along this area, but we still held it for support, which is the main thing. Now, what we're looking for here is essentially the break of the all-time high. Okay, and it's not far away, may I add, guys. Okay, may I add, it's not far away at all. Now, if this asset is going to continue to the upside, which personally I think it is, we're in a macro uptrend. It's looking really strong overall. We're testing micro lower highs here. We bounced quite violently off the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band with that level of support. Still inside this macro chart pattern as well. I think all stars are pointing to, all rockets are pointing to the sky here. What I would say here, over the last sort of, say a couple of days or a couple of weeks or so here, we have seen quite a consistent ranging period here for Pepe. And with the state of the markets just in general, obviously Bitcoin's been bullish, but the altcoins haven't really started to take off yet. The fact that we've got a range here for Pepe is super bullish. Okay, it's super bullish that it's actually holding this price. Okay, so what I'm sort of looking for now is going to be a breakout of this range, and with the breakout happening, guys, I do want to see the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band, the daily volume weighted ATR band, all continue in this progressive stance to the upside here, because you can see this giant pocket that we've got drawn in here leads us up to the all-time high. But if we do see these volume weighted ATR bands start to form this, hold on, mess that up. Not start to form, but start to sort of flow in a negative direction, a digressionary stance. And what I mean by that is something like this, guys. That will essentially really give us some heavy resistance here, which we don't really want. Ideally, we want to see explosions to the upside and continuous moves there. Okay, so overall, Pepe is looking pretty bullish. But what I would say here, guys, is the breakout scenario could be quite nice. It could be quite clean from this area around 131 up to around. Sorry, I thought we froze then, around to 144 there. So it could be a nice little move there if you're looking to trade this, or if you're looking to just hold it. I think it's still a bullish asset. It's still looking really good there. Now let's look at some bull market targets here. I think naturally we're going to be having our first bull market target at the all-time high. It'd be rude not to here. And then second, what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be going from bear market lows to the all-time high, and then looking at some sort of extension levels here for this asset, and then using those extension levels here, using Fibonacci to get us some sort of a price prediction here, and then we're going to be looking at potential market cap targets for that as well. Okay, so you can see first target is going to be 1723, and that will be, if we can just get to Pepe quickly, that will be the all-time high for Pepe, which would be a market cap of, come on CMC, don't let me down, it will be a market cap of, here we go, $7 billion, which is super bullish. That's $7 billion. I thought it got to 6.5, but yeah, $7 billion is good. Okay, so this is a $7 billion area. Which is a good sort of a point for us to be looking out for there. Now, the next Fibonacci extension zone that we can be looking out for there is the 0.236, which would be considerably higher, guys, I must say. It's actually a 2.2x near enough to the next target here, guys. So that will be a $14 billion market cap. And just for reference here, guys, if we're looking at some of the big bluer, Pepe is a blue chip, but the bigger blues, if you will, meme coins out in the space. You've got $10 billion at SHIB, and you've got Dogecoin at $19 billion in terms of a market cap. So even in this market, without alt season taking off, it's still below Doge, right? And if we look at the all-time high here on the market cap for Doge, that actually got to 84 billion. Okay, so it really does show that Pepe does have some room for growth here. And then the third and final target here, don't want to be too ambitious, is going to be this this extension zone at around the 6.2 level there, and that will be essentially a 3.5x on our investment from the all-time high. Okay, if we're going to get in now and ride that up, that's going to be a 5x on the investment. Okay, so let's just go all-time highs to now at a 3.6x, guys. That will be 7 times 3 here in terms of a market cap. That will be, or 7 times 3.6. So that'll be roughly around a $23 billion market cap for Pepe there at the height of the bull market. And I don't think this is unachievable. I think this is definitely achievable. And I think that it's pretty much written in the stars here for this asset to succeed. I know this is obviously launched within the last sort of a couple of years or so here, and the fact that this is performing really well, it was one of the best launches of 2023 here, and we did see this just come out the gate swinging essentially. So yeah, super bullish here on Pepe overall, and I don't think a 3.6x is out of the question. Okay, that's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Pepe, and if you do want to go check out Pepe Unchained, they are on a bit of a countdown here until they're getting ready for their massive launch here with their huge budget of $6.2 million there. So yeah, definitely something I would get involved with. Go secure your supply now. If you want to, you can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, or your card, or even BNB here. Okay, but yeah, that's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Make sure you drop a comment, make sure you drop a like. I'm intrigued to see what you think of the videos, guys. And also we hit 10k subs. Amazing stuff. To appreciate you guys out there. That's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.